We'll guide you through how to enable display over other apps on Android. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So for some apps to function, or for their feature to function, we need to go and enable display over apps. What this means is the app can then go and appear over other apps while you're using them. So we're going to guide you through the setting you need to go and find, as it may not be where you're looking for it. And we need to go make sure that it has the permissions the app does for it to go and properly work. So make sure this full guide, step by step, so you know exactly what you need to do. What you want to do is go and swipe up like so, and you want to go and find the option for settings and open it up. Now you can go and see your different settings here. What you want to do is go and scroll down, and we're looking for the option for apps. If you struggle to go and find it, you can always go and press search in the top right and go and search for apps, and then you want to go and open it up like so. Now in apps, you can go and scroll through here, but what you need to do is go to the top right and go and find the three dots like so, and then you need to go and find the option for special access. This is basically where we can go and enable the access for it. So go and tap on it. Then you can come down the list, and of course you're looking for appear on top. And then this allows apps to go and show things on top of other apps you're using. So you can then come down the list and go and choose the apps you want to go and switch it on for. That's it. Leave a like if you found this useful.